Hi everyone, just recording this for the incredible Ginger Club. I hope you're having a great ginger. Look at the stars, look how they shine for you, and all the things you do. It was all yellow. I came along, I wrote a song for you, and all the things you do. It was called Yellow. And then I took my turn. Oh, what a thing to done. It was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bone turned into something beautiful. You love, you know I love you so. You know I love you so. I jumped across, I swam across for you. Oh, what a thing to do. It was all yellow. I drew a line, I drew a line for you. Oh, what a thing to do. It was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bone turned into something beautiful. You love, for you I'd bleed myself dry. For you I'd bleed myself dry. It's true. Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine. Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine. Look at the stars. Look how they shine for you. And all the things you do.